Namaste and welcome to Panchkosh. We all know that eyes are the most activated organ of our body. Means eyes are never relaxing. We are using eyes every time whenever we are just awake. And even in our sleep also we are just dreaming. So somehow the eyes are working, but that is working internally. In today's world, when either people are studying, in students, they are studying too much, so they are continuously seeing towards their books, and the people who are working in the offices also, they are also just looking towards their monitor. Every time the eyes are activated, and also even at home or the people around us, everybody is using their eyes too much because everybody is using the mobile phones. Whenever we are using mobile phones, we don't even realize that how much time we are just seeing towards that small screen, that much screen continuously, and that has completely bad impact on the eyes. So today I'll tell you some exercise or the yogas for the eyes, what you can incorporate in your daily life to keep your eyes healthy. So get on your mat and start it with me. So even if you are just having the excuse that you don't get the time, then also the first two exercises what I'm going to tell you now, you can incorporate it any time of the day whenever you feel like doing it. Even if you are sitting in your office, even if you are studying, even if you are at home or just trying to relax. So any time of the point you feel like your eyes are burdened or you feel heaviness of the eyes, then please do the initial two exercises that will just relax your eyes. That is actually the relaxing exercises of the eyes. So first exercise is just rub your palms against each other like this. Create the heat, like do it little fast so that you can create the heat, and then put it against your eyes and feel the heat. Take the heat through your eyes. You can put the fingers over your eyes, or else you can put the palm, this area, on your eyes, but lightly. You don't need to put the pressure. Again, just rub it, create the heat and put it on your eyes and let them be relaxed. Again, do it. Just create the heat and put the palms on your eyes. Don't put the pressure, just relax. You can have the little bit of pain on your shoulders, then just relax, and then again you can start doing it like this and then putting it on your eyes. You can do this relaxing of the eyes for 10 continuous times, like 10 times you can do it continuously. And whenever you're feeling heaviness and your eyes are really excessively exerted, then also you can do it anytime. So, and I'll suggest that if you are sitting for longer hours on your desktop, there is too much pressure on your eyes, then just take few seconds and just do this relaxing exercise for your eyes. Just rub your hands and put them on your eyes. It will relax your eyes, and that will be again ready for doing that really critical work what you're doing. The next relaxing eyes is just sit in any comfortable pose, or wherever you are. You can sit on mat, you can sit on your chair, or anywhere. Just sit, just keep your spine straight. Just remember, whenever you're doing some yogic exercise or yogic thing, just keep your spine straight, because that is the normal position. Otherwise also in daily routine also you should just try to keep your spine straight, but at time it happens that whenever we are just relaxing, we just start slouching or something like this. But whenever you are doing at least the yogic practice, keep your spine straight. Okay, so next relaxing exercise for the eyes is Just blink your eyes for 10 times continuously and then just close it. Like I tell you how to do it. So just blink your eyes for 10 times like this and then close it. Again open and blink it for 10 times continuously and fast like this. And then just relax. Again you can blink, and for relaxation you can just put the palms on your eyes like this. First blink and then put the palms on your eyes and let them relax. Again blink your eyes and then close and put your palms on the eyes like this. Wonderful. You'll feel that your eyes are completely relaxed. You can do again this exercise whenever you are feeling that your eyes are heavy and exerted. And even if you are studying or doing again the work on computer or using mobile continuously, just take out few seconds and relax your eyes by doing this relaxing practices. The next exercise what you can do is you can just put your hands like this, spread your arms, just put your thumb like this and keep them like this. Means your shoulders will be dropped only, you won't be pulling them up or down, you will be just putting them down only. There will be a good gap between your ears and the neck, means there will be a full elongated neck like this. And then put your thumbs like this. Now just start seeing, just don't move your neck, just keep your neck still, means in front like this, and then just look towards your right side, towards your right thumb, and then look up and look towards the third eye, and then look towards your left thumb. You won't be moving your neck any period of time. If you find the pressure on your shoulders, then you can put some stool or some bench to support your hands like this. And then again from here, from left side, we'll be just seeing towards the left thumb and we'll be looking to our third eye or between the eyebrows, and again towards our right thumb. Now again we'll be just looking towards our right thumb, looking up and then left, and from left up towards the third eye and towards the right thumb. You can do it for 1 minute, and if your shoulders are paining or hurting, then you can just relax for a while and then again start doing it the same way. The next exercise what you can do is you can just take your arm like here, you can take the left arm spread like this, and then you won't be moving the neck will stand still like this, and then just look towards the thumb and keep your eyes, keep the eyeball moving with the thumb like this in circular motion from left to right. Don't bend your neck any side, just look towards the thumb like this. You can do it for 5 times this way, and again we'll do the same with our right hand. So we'll start from our right side. We'll be just looking towards the thumb. We won't be moving our neck. We'll be just moving our eyes. Wherever the thumb is going, we'll follow that. Like this. We'll do this also for 5 times. So this is the third exercise. The next exercise is just keep your hands in the front side like this and keep the thumbs like this. Now from here, look towards your right thumb first and take it towards the sky, the ceiling. Don't move your neck, just move your eyes. Take it down again towards the front. Now change the gaze and shift it towards your left thumb and then take it up, 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 up as much possible, and then take it down like this in the front. Again with the right thumb, take it up and then take it down. Just don't lose the gaze. Keep looking towards your right thumb and then change the gaze towards the left and then just look towards this and then come down like this. Just keep the concentration on the thumb only and just change the gaze from right to left and then left to right. So this is the third exercise, and then one more exercise is you just will close the eyes. This is with the closed eyes. So close the eyes and then just take your eyeballs towards the left and turn it towards the right like this, and from right take it up and towards your left, but we'll do it with closed eyes. So close your eyes, look towards your left, take your eyeballs up towards the ceiling and towards the right, and then from right just go up and then towards the left, again from left to the sky, towards your right side, from your right side to the ceiling and to the left side. Again don't open, again rub your palms and put it on your eyes. Anytime in between you feel your eyes are exerted, just rub your palms and put the palms on your eyes and take the energy and relax your eyes like this. Now keep it closed for a few seconds and then slowly open your eyes. I have made one more video where I told you about the mudras. So in that section also you can see that or otherwise I just tell you that Akash Mudra, in which use this middle finger. This is for ether. So if you have the problem of watering eyes, just keep this mudra while doing all the eyes exercise, or any point of time. If you keep this mudra 15 minutes a day, your watering eyes problem can be solved. And also people who are having glaucoma or any severe eyes injuries or eyes problem, then please do consult with your doctor before doing any kind of exercise. Otherwise all other people should do this exercise whether you are having any kind of eye problem or not. And also remember that if you're doing this exercise when the sun is rising and you're sitting in front of the sun and you're just doing this exercise in front of the sun, then the changes or the results are really very good. So if you are really having some serious eyes issues of far-sightedness, short-sightedness, or the vision related problem, then also you should do this exercise every day. And it's better if you're doing it in the morning time when the sun is rising. And otherwise also, if you don't have that much time that you can take out during the sunrise, then also if you're even sitting in the office, if you're studying at school, in college, or at home, you are just relaxing at home or doing some homely stuff, then also you just can take out just 5 minutes and can do these exercise for the eyes to keep your eyes healthy. So I hope you do these exercise and then just tell me the results, that how it's impacting your body, your eyes. So do comment me and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Until then, be happy and stay fit. Namaste.